Also, when he
T-Rebel 5.
destroyed Calgon, was this tech realistic? Okay, so somehow this is the jump gate.
Mm-hmm.
And he shoots what he called cobalt at the surface of the nearby star.
Okay.
And then it causes this blue shockwave. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then,
Like some type of blue prominence.
yeah. What is it? A coronal mass ejection solar flare,
Even
but like a
better, yep.
dense one with like a huge number of particles, not just like it's just huge.
Not wispy stuff. It's like
Yeah.
full plasma.
Right, which destroys the gate. Okay. Okay, it's continuing. I mean, it's coming.
She coming.
And then we wait, like, I don't know how fast this thing is moving, but I don't think coronal mass ejections move very fast. I think they take days to get from the sun to the Earth.
Yep.
So
Yep.
if this is moving at similar speed, we do this thing, and then we're waiting a couple days for this thing.
Yeah, everyone on Calgon's like, it's coming.
It's
And then they're
coming!
Like, but it's been like 30 hours, so I guess I'll take a sleep now. And
Yep.
the next day, like, it's still coming.
Yeah. And look, it doesn't lose any density. It's still like hyper focused.
Oh, it's like tight beam plasma shot.
Right. Which plasma, what is like it's an ionized gas. So it's a bunch of charged particles in gas form, which if there's no outside container, which could be an atmosphere with pressure or an actual physical container holding it in, as it leaves the star, it's going to spread out. Right.
Right. You got a bunch of positive on the outside of a planet of a star. You got a bunch of positive hydrogens. You got a bunch of positive hydrogens. They're like charges, so they should repel. This thing should be spreading out.
Spreading out, yeah. But this nearby the star, it's very condensed and localized.
Sure.
And then near the planet, which is maybe an AU away, like Earth-Sun distance away, it's still really sharp and localized. Wow.
So along those same lines, it's if something is, I don't know, a centimeter cubed or like an inch. So what am I doing? An inch squared at this distance away. As it travels farther and farther away, if it's that same angle, then it spreads out. So we're also not even just seeing the spread out from this planet being far away. Like it stays tight. It stays focused all the way. This is some like Covenant plasma weapon something going on.
Right, so there's no dispersion due to the effects of the gas, just having random or directions of motion of the particles inside.
Or that. 3 reasons why this is weird.
Wait, so I don't understand. You're saying, what was the reason you were saying? Because of the planet? I don't understand. So I was thinking.
I'm thinking straight up geometry. So if I have the sun in the middle and then I have a planet far away, if I shoot something out that has like a, I don't know, 1 degree spread. So pretty tight, 1 degree. But if I have the distance from the star to the planet is very far away, that 1 degree over that distance ends up being very washed out, very spread out.
I see what you're saying. So in the vectors of all the particles in the plasma have to be like extremely directed at the planet.
Extremely focused, extremely parallel.
If there's any spread, because of geometry, that spread is going to be huge by the time you get to the planet. I see what you're saying. So
it's just like a flashlight.
Dispersion. Yeah,
Flashlight spreads out.
So there's the dispersion due to the fact that it's a gas. Dispersion? Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
Dispersal. And then there's the geometric effects. So this tech, so when it leaves the sun, it is in such, this state looks chaotic, but it's not. Somehow it's able to, for 1 AU, 90 million miles of travel, it's going to stay tight.
Yep.
Which means, okay, so the vectors of the particles are directed forward without any spread. Also, there must be some kind of like, they're charged particles. Maybe moving
they're charged,
from
so they
space.
should be repelling each other.
Maybe it's the particles are moving in such a way to create a self-confining field that keeps them nice and tight.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if that's possible. But they're like swirling and moving as they move through space, such that it creates a field that keeps it nice and tight.
Okay.
And
I don't know if
like
it's possible, but if
self-reinforcing.
it is possible, that is our idea. TM. Space weapons owned by us.
Yep.
Mm.
Oh
That's
my
some
gosh.
future anti-alien defense stuff. TM. Our idea.
Yeah. So this tech, gosh, and not only that, so you got to make this tight beam, doesn't disperse, good accuracy, but also you got to understand how you make a beam of cobalt atoms, create some reaction in the star that creates a shock wave that like creates a splash effect that pushes this forward into the solar system. Just the understanding of plasma physics, solar dynamics, all of it is just so incredible.
Maybe that's the mule's real secret power, is that he's very good at plasma physics.
I'm going to plasma physics. This ain't easy. This ain't easy.
Ain't easy.
Gets it done. Gosh, do I think this is realistic? I don't want to say it's impossible, but gosh, this is
right.
I don't know.
As a classically trained scientist, I cannot know what the future technologies are. Mm-hmm. So maybe in the future, I mean, it is like 47,000 years or 45,000 years into the future. So maybe they've got technology. I don't know, maybe. However, as a current day scientist with our knowledge and skills and technology, no. I don't think so.
Right. Incredible weapon.
Or maybe. I don't know. That's the future. Mm-hmm.